Dear friends, myself Dr. Debal Pramanik. Today we will address another numerical problem of electro discharge machining process. The problem is RC circuit used in EDM. The discharge voltage is 100 volt at a spark cycle time 25 microsecond. P average equals to 1 kilowatt. Find out the capacitance. You know that P average equals to energy by cycle time. So TC, that is your charging time, and TS, this is your discharging time. So we can write E by T. Another, you know that energy released spark E equals to half CVD square. So we can write that P into T equals to E. Again we write that P into T equals to half CVD square. You know that E equals to half CVD square. So the value is 1 into 1000. Convert it into the watt. Charging time or cycle time, that is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is your second, equals to half C, that is your capacitance, and Vd is 100 volt. So C is your 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. The answer is 5 microfarad. This is your capacitance. For any further queries, comment below. Thank you.